Hello, my name is Charles Threlkeld, and I'm here to talk about the work that I did with Mohammed Umair and J.P. de Ruyter at the Human Interaction Lab at Tufts University, called Using Transition Duration to Improve Turn-Taking in Conversational Agents. When we talk about turn-taking, we often think of the simplest systematics put forth by Sachs, Tregloff, and Jefferson, for which, at each turn construction unit, at the transition relevance place, the current speaker has selected the next speaker, or there's self-selection of the next speaker, or the current speaker continues. Now we notice that these rules fall through to each other, so if the current speaker has already selected the next, there's no reason for self-selection or current speaker continuation to happen. Likewise, if another speaker self-selects, then the current speaker will not continue. Assuming that this reasoning takes time, and it must for self-selection to have a window to occur, then we should see a different TRP duration for the continuous condition than the switch condition. You might notice that the switch condition has been operationalized in other work as the floor transfer offset, but as far as we know, abstracting this to include the continuation and thereby operationalize all TRPs is unique to this work. To examine this question, from the switchboard corpus, we collected about 2,700 TRPs followed by a speaker switch and about 1,900 followed by a speaker continuation. All of the TRPs were between 0 and 1,000 milliseconds. We truncated at 0 so that we had equivalent domains. We didn't want the FTO, which is naturally from all real numbers, to skew the results toward negative numbers, since the speaker continuation can only be positively domained. We also removed anything over 1,000 milliseconds to remove conversational gaps, which could create outliers and skew the models. Here on the left, we see what accounts for our null position. Basically, if all TRPs are produced from one underlying distribution, that's the distribution on the left. So if conversation is merely a